Hello everyone. So today I received another happy mail. This time it's from Rhonda Coleman. But first, let's check out her envelope. It is so pretty. She put some die-cut flowers here and some butterflies. Then a butterfly washi tape, and at the back she stamped mail and put some more washi tapes. And this one is her note to me, and this is what she sent me. She granted one of my wishes, lace strings. The first string is the white one with hearts on it, and the second one is this flesh color lace with flowers. Thank you so much, Rhonda, for this unexpected gift. Thank you for granting my wish. I so appreciate it. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.